Welcome aboard the Esvagt Froude, one of the most advanced service operation vessels in the world. Designed to support offshore wind farms, perform rescue operations, and enhance efficiency at sea, this vessel is a game-changer in maritime technology. Meet the Esvagt Froude, an 83-meter-long service operation vessel built with cutting-edge technology to operate in harsh sea conditions. Its bright red hull stands out as it sails through the waves, ensuring safe, reliable, and efficient offshore operations. Whether providing maintenance support for wind turbines or executing emergency rescue missions, this vessel plays a crucial role in offshore innovation. As the world moves toward renewable energy, offshore wind farms have become a major source of electricity. However, maintaining these massive structures in the middle of the ocean is no easy task. Crews need to be transported safely, equipment needs to be delivered, and emergency rescue services must always be on standby. That's where the Esvagt Froude comes in. This vessel is specifically designed for the offshore wind industry, ensuring that maintenance crews can reach wind farms safely and efficiently. Its state-of-the-art features make it one of the most reliable vessels in the offshore industry today. The Esvagt Froude is equipped with a dynamic positioning system, DPS-2, allowing it to maintain its position without anchoring. This ensures precise maneuvering near offshore structures, making it ideal for supporting wind farm operations. The vessel also features a motion-compensated walk-to-work W2W gangway system, providing safe crew transfers from the ship to turbine platforms, even in rough sea conditions. In emergency situations, the Esvagt Froude is equipped with fast-response rescue boats. These high-speed boats can be deployed instantly for crew evacuations and sea rescues, ensuring maximum safety for offshore workers. The vessel's crew undergoes regular training and emergency drills to ensure they are always prepared for any situation. Designed with crew comfort in mind, the Esvagt Froude offers spacious and modern living quarters. The vessel can accommodate up to 60 personnel, providing comfortable sleeping areas, recreational spaces, and high-quality catering facilities. Life at sea can be challenging, but this vessel ensures that crew members feel at home even in the most demanding environments. The Esvagt Froude operates 24/7, supporting offshore wind farm technicians by providing a stable and secure base of operations. By offering safe access to offshore structures, this vessel plays a crucial role in maintaining renewable energy sources worldwide. Its high-tech monitoring systems and precise control operations make it an essential asset in offshore wind farm maintenance. Safety is a top priority on the Esvagt Froude. The vessel is equipped with state-of-the-art fire suppression systems, emergency escape routes, and advanced surveillance technology. Every aspect of its design is focused on ensuring the protection of all personnel on board. Regular safety drills are conducted to maintain the highest standards of emergency preparedness. In addition to safety, sustainability is at the heart of the Esvagt Froude's operations. The vessel features fuel-efficient engines and low-emission technology, reducing its carbon footprint while operating in challenging offshore environments. Its role in maintaining wind turbines contributes to the world's transition toward cleaner and more sustainable energy sources. As offshore wind farms continue to expand, vessels like the Esvagt Froude will play an even bigger role in ensuring efficient operations and maximizing clean energy production. With ongoing advancements in maritime technology, the future of service operation vessels is set to become even more innovative. The Esvagt Froude is not just a vessel, it's a symbol of progress, sustainability, and safety at sea. Its role in offshore wind energy is helping to power the world with renewable electricity, ensuring a greener future for generations to come. What do you think about this incredible vessel? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Sir Boat's Yacht, and turn on the notifications bell so you never miss an update on the latest innovations in the maritime industry. Stay tuned for more exciting content on the world's most advanced ships. Thanks for watching.